Shira here if it's your first time stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a simple Matric dance glam look that you can practice on. I'm just doing this look early because I know some schools already having their Matric dances, and I thought what would be a great way of me helping out via making a YouTube video. So anyway, I'm just gonna do this makeup look. If like your Matric dance is coming ahead, you can just practice. It's going to be super easy and you can rock it. I believe that you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. So without me talking too much, let's just get into the video. Guys, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below what look do you want me to do, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so as you all can tell, I have already done my eyebrows off camera and I'm just going to prep my skin. Like you can see, like my skin is super dry as you can see. So I'm just going to prep my skin and show you guys how I do my skin prep before I go into makeup. So moisturizing my face, I'll go in with this Neutrogena moisturizer. I really like this moisturizer. What's combination? Something like that. So I'm just going to put a lot of this because you want to moisturize. Like moisturizer is the key, guys. Make sure that your face is clean and moisturized. Sometimes I normally don't go in with primer. I just go in with this moisturizer and it's enough for me. Like I said, I do not have a problematic skin, so yeah, moisturizer sometimes is enough for me. Okay, so I'm going to start with my eyes first, and now you want to prime your eyelids. Like, you know, you want to prime the area that you want to put your eyeshadow on so that it's the colors will show up vibrant. And yeah, so to prime my eyes, I'm going in with this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Beyond Perfecting foundation. This foundation is super full coverage, and also it's a foundation plus concealer. I really recommend this. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys that you can use a concealer to prime your eyes. For today's tutorial, I'm going in with this eyeshadow palette right here. Basically, this is a very recommended eyeshadow palette or eyeshadow colors for somebody that is a beginner into makeup. I'll list down or paste pictures of something similar to this that you can easily get here in South Africa. But this one right here is from Dupe Factory. However, you can get in drugstores. I'm sure Weekend World has many eyeshadow palettes that you can also use. Just use the colors that I'm going to be using today. Anyway, so I'm firstly going in with this color. This is my favorite eyeshadow color right here. I'm going to pick this color and I'll just put this color into my crease. Okay, so going back into the eyeshadow palette, I'm using this color right here. So I'll just pick a little of this color and then blend out this brown right here. Now you want to make sure that you blend your eyeshadows very well. Remember, it's a Matric dance, and then you don't want to look like you're in a hurry. So I'm just mixing these two colors, and then I'll go on top of that color that I just blended out. Then we're just going to blend and blend. Please take your time. Take your time and blend because it's worth it. It's very worth it. Using the same brush, I'm going back into this brown right here, and then I'll put that color in my outer V because now we kind of smoking the outer V, and then just bring the color down your eye as well. Okay, so that looks good. I'm not going to be cutting the crease today, but I'll just put on a little bit of concealer, and for that I'll use the Allego Pro concealer in the shade Yellow Corrector, just a little bit. In fact, I'll just use my finger. For my eyelid, I'm going into with this Wow Shimmer. This one right here is 60 Rand at Discount, so I'll just use this as my eyelid color, my eyelid shimmer color. So I'll just pack it there. Okay, so after I put that color, I'm going back into the brown. So I'll just pick a little bit of brown and then blend everything together. Guys, make sure you blend, like whatever step you do or you take, you have to go back and blend. So I'm just blending these colors together. The edges of that brown, of that shimmer color, has to be blended. Okay, so I'm going in with a black eyeliner. I'm going to prime. I'm using the Maybelline, this is a baby skin instant pore eraser, and I'll just put this in right where I have pores. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going in with this Wet and Wild foundation. I really love this, guys. This is just like $100. I believe you can afford for $100. Okay, so I'm going in with a brush to blend my foundation. I normally use brushes to blend my foundation because I feel like they don't suck into a lot of product. So I'm just tapping into my skin. I'm not swiping, just tapping. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to go in with this foundation right here. I really love this. And again, I'm going to be blending with a brush. I'm going in with the translucent powder. Please use less of the translucent powder. Remember, you're going out, you'll be out at night, and you'll be taking too many pictures and flashes. Girls, you want to avoid any flashback, so do not bake and use less. You can go in with a banana powder also from I think Makeup Revolution has one and it's under 200 rand, so you can go in with that. But I'm just going to set this immediately. Okay, so just to adapt to my face, because my face looks flat and I want to enhance the shape of my face, so I'm just going to contour, and I'm using this contour palette right here. I'll go in with this color. I'm going back in with this eyeshadow palette, and for blush I'm going in with this color. I'll just mix this too. So I'll lock in my makeup and use the same setting spray. So as my face is still damp, I'm going in with the same shimmer color that I used on my eyelid. And it's at night, guys, you need this. Like, you need a lot of this, not too much, but you need this to pop in your pictures, girl. And now let's go to the lips. The best thing for you to do, like to the lips, I really recommend you go in with a nude lip. Nude glossy lip or nude matte lip. Okay, so I'll go in with a foundation. This foundation is about 3 shades darker than my complexion. Okay, so I'll just use this to outline my lips. Okay, so I'll go in with a concealer. This is a Lego Pro concealer in Cool Tone, and I'll just put this the center of my lips. And there you have it, guys. So there is a full face of makeup for your Matric dance for you to rock and enjoy your day. If you cannot afford a makeup artist, of course, you can simply achieve this look that I did. They just practice in practice, guys. Just like maybe give yourself 2 hours before the event so that you can really sit down and blend your makeup nicely for you to look good and flawless. If you don't like my lip combo, you can just go ahead and use a brown lip liner and a nude lipstick that fits your skin type or your skin color, your complexion, or yeah, just use a nude lipstick that suits you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you like about this video or what look would you like me to do. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye bye and see you in my next one.